Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your iPhone and Roblox are ready to cooperate. First, update iOS if available. Many rotation bugs are fixed in updates. Then, force quit Roblox and relaunch it to clear transient errors. While you do that, swipe into Control Center and disable rotation lock. You need the system free to switch orientation. Once done, open Roblox and load any game. This begins the app level check, which reveals whether the problem is system level or app specific. Now you'll dive into Roblox and iPhone settings to fix portrait behavior. Inside a Roblox game, open settings and set graphics mode to automatic or lower if lag causes orientation lock. Disable any forced full screen toggle. Next, exit to iPhone settings right arrow display and brightness and ensure view is standard, not zoom, because zoomed layouts can lock orientation. Rotate the phone slowly while watching the HUD and camera. If the app responds, the issue was display scaling. Finish by taking corrective actions if portrait still fails. If the app misbehaves after settings tweaks, delete and reinstall Roblox. This removes corrupted files. Make sure you know your account credentials before reinstalling. If reinstall doesn't help, go to settings right arrow general right arrow reset all settings. This resets network and display preferences without erasing content. Finally, test the same account on another iPhone. If it works there, the problem is device-specific. If not, contact Roblox support with logs and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.